Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video in which we'll do a full update on XRP. And good news, and I don't like to do this. This is not how I've been raised up, but the analysis yesterday was 100% correct. What I said yesterday, and I've gotten a lot of hate for that, but that's fine. But what I said yesterday in the morning, so that was when the price was sitting at about 3.15. What I said is, I think it's most likely we're going to get a pullback, and then the first level we're looking at is that previous high we made at around 2.9. And what we did is we pulled back into that level. From the top to the low, about a 13% move, which hopefully I warned you for. And then at 2.9, we found amazing support, and from there we actually gained new momentum. Because ultimately, I mean, what I've always said in my videos is that I am still bullish on XRP. I just thought a pullback on the short term was most likely. So we got the pullback, we dropped down into 2.9, and honestly, I mean, this reaction is incredibly bullish. I have to say, I mean, personally, on days like these, I don't trade just out of principle, because my trading systems tend to work better when there's volume and not massive news coming out, which is today, of course. So personally, I'm not going to trade much, but for XRP, at least technically, it's looking great here. Getting such a strong reaction from a level like this. I mean, you can also see the trend band is going there. You have that previous high, you have the 0.5 fib, getting such a strong reaction from that level, and also breaking some sort of a short-term bearish structure we had formed since last week Thursday is very bullish. But like I said, even though this is a bullish reaction, I'm still a little bit cautious on the markets today. Like, ultimately, the prices we're at right now, if we're able to hold those for the next 24/48 hours, so if we're actually able to find some balance at these levels, it's massively bullish, because then this just seems like some sort of a bullish flag, and it's a matter of time before we might consolidate here, but that we will ultimately break out and head for those next price targets, and ultimately, hopefully, into $4. So that's very bullish. But like I said, for that to happen, I do think we need to find a little bit more balance, which is basically the price being at a certain price, or the coin being at a certain price for an extended period of time. Then you have balance at a level. I need to see that first before entering. All right, I am bullish on XRP, even if we fall down here. I think, I mean, even if we fall down into 2.75, which I don't expect at this point of time, but it's always a possibility. I mean, everything is possible. I am fundamentally bullish on XRP, but like I said, given the market circumstances, I think we have to be a little bit cautious. But what I would say for XRP is most likely, you can also see we had a bit of a bump in leverage again, but this is just, I mean, it's looking good. I mean, the leverage here is actually pretty low. And it almost looks more like a lot of short positions have been closed and a lot of spot positions have been opened, which is obviously bullish. But getting such a reaction like this, Bitcoin getting a massive bullish breakout, what I think is most likely, and the volume for XRP being incredible again, it's around $20 billion again, 80% increase in the last 24 hours. What I would say is most likely is that we will be able to find balance here, and that from this balance we will eventually also break out above 3.3, 3.35, and that will head for 3.6, 3.7, 3.75. Around 3.7 would be my first price target, but I've made videos in the past as well where I'm calling for price levels above $4. If some of you might still remember. And down the line, that's what I expect as well. So this is what I think is most likely. Like I said, I will not take this trade. I will not trade XRP today. But if, like I said, tomorrow we actually find that balance, then I will start looking for long setups again. And as a final goodbye, like I said, be aware of the volatility. All right, it is 100% possible that we spike down to 2.9, that we spike down to 2.75, and bounce back immediately and get back to 3.25. So if you want to trade this, if you really want to buy XRP here with leverage, just have a very wide stop loss or a very tight stop loss with a smaller position size. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. Those are my thoughts on the price of XRP right now. So while I'm getting blurry, thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next videos, and bye.